All right, everyone, let's talk about Keralase treatments. And so these are our laser hair treatments. And again, growing hair is an important goal of ours at RevitalyzeMD, and we're always changing our protocols to include the newest technologies in doing so. And we like to do it comprehensively. So we're addressing the cell health, making sure that you have the right nutrients for the cell, and so we use Scalp for that. And then we like to combine our injectable procedures with a new laser treatment that we have, which is Keralase. So what Keralase is, again, we have this same laser treatment on the face. It's called the RevitalyzeMD, or our glow treatment, and it's a fractional non-ablative laser. We use the laser to create microchannels of injury and therefore stimulate collagen elastin in the face to improve lots of different issues. But in the scalp, we want to create those microchannels so that we can then place what's called Kerfactor on top of, and it seeps down in those microchannels. So instead of using a microneedling device to create the microchannels or using a needle to inject these peptides, which we also do in the office, but now we can use actually a laser, which is much more comfortable, and we're going to create all those microchannels, and then we're going to put a peptide solution on the top of it. And that peptide solution is called KeraFactor, and it has many peptides in it, and TB4 is one of them. And TB4 is one of the peptides that we used to use more of, but now with the Keralase, we use less of just that injectable TB4, because now we can do it as part of the Keralase treatment, which is more comfortable. So again, we like to combine Keralase with our injectable procedures, which are exosomes or PRF now, which is what we're using. And then if we combine it with the laser, then we have multiple touch points each month to get that hair follicle stimulated for hair growth, healthier hair growth, and thicker hair follicles. The more different ways that we're hitting a hair follicle to get growth, and also gives us an opportunity to get a hair follicle in the cycle that is actually active with hair growth, which is not a constant thing. So anyhow, come see us and see if hair restoration with Keralase is right for you.